Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use filters when searching items on Vinted in 2025. Let's make a search first. And now, once you find different options here, you can simply click on filter, for example, and now select sorting. It will be either sorted by relevance, by price, or by the newest items listed first. Then category, you can select like men, women, designer, kids, or for things like home decor or electronics, you can select home or electronics, right? For books or movies or music, you can select entertainment. I will select men's. Then you can also either select all men's clothing or a certain category within men's clothing. I will just select all because I know there will be mostly jackets. Now, then you can click on filter again and do way more, like the size, for example. I will select XS because that's what I wear. And now only XS items will show up. Then you can also select brand, condition, color, pattern, price, and material. I will select that condition to be very good, new without tags or new with tags, or good. I don't really want that last one. And also I'll select the color. I like it in brown, gray, or black. And now you can find all the different items that comply with those filters. I'll also sort it by the price, low to high, and let's see the cheapest items. So here they are. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.